Namaste, Khamma Ghani, greetings from Rajasthan. I, Puneet Hiranandani, lecturer Civil Engineering, Government Polytechnic College, Jodhpur, along with my colleague Shri Pankaj Jakhad, welcome you all in this video series of Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat. In this video, we are going to get a glimpse of Rajasthan. Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat. True it is. We see unity in diversity in our country, and it is united, that means Ek, and is best, that means Shresht in the world. In this video, we will have a small journey of Rajasthan. Now we'll see a small video of our Rajasthan tourism. It's an effort to show that how beautiful our Rajasthan is.
हुआन को राजस्थान कुछ ऐसा दिखा।
It was a very nice video. Rajasthan. It is the largest state of India when in terms of area comes. We can see the location of Rajasthan in this map of India, and even the Rajasthan's map is here. Rajasthan means a body of the Rajas or the land of kings. Before independence, it was divided in number of princely states, but after independence, it was being integrated and hence took the name Rajasthan. It has the largest area among other states of India. Coming to its physical location, it is placed in the northwestern division of India. It is surrounded by Pakistan in the west and some parts of northwest. The adjoining neighboring states are Haryana, Punjab, UP, MP, and Gujarat. The Great Indian Desert, the Thar Desert, covers its maximum area. Now we'll see the state flower of Rajasthan. Rohida is the official state flower of Rajasthan. The state tree of Rajasthan, Khejdi, is the official tree of Rajasthan. Now we'll see the state animal of Rajasthan when in terms of livestock is camel, and when it comes to wildlife, Chinkara is the official state animal of Rajasthan. Now the state dance of Rajasthan is Ghumar, and the state game of Rajasthan is basketball. State bird of Rajasthan is Godawan. This bird is one of the rarest in the world and is marked critically endangered. Measures are being taken to save this bird. Despite being a desert state, Rajasthan has good network of wildlife protected area. The state has two World Heritage wetlands, namely the Kevladev National Park, Bharatpur, and the Sambar Lake. Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, it is situated in the Sawai Madhopur district of Rajasthan, is a popular place in India to see tigers and other animals in their natural state. Kevladev National Park, we have it is in Bharatpur, which is a man-managed sanctuary that hosts thousands of birds, especially during the winter season. Sambar Lake, it's India's largest saline lake and is the source of most of Rajasthan's salt production. Now, coming to forts of Rajasthan, we can see the glory of Rajasthan through these forts. These include the famous Mehrangarh Fort of Jodhpur, which is one of the largest forts in India, built in around 1459 by Rao Jodha. The fort is situated 410 feet above the city and is enclosed by imposing thick walls. Inside its boundaries, there are several palaces known for their intricate carvings and expansive courtyards. Chittorgarh Fort is again one of the oldest forts of Rajasthan. We have Kumbhalgarh Fort, then Ranthambore Fort in the middle of wildlife sanctuary is a wonderful and majestic fort to visit. Jaisalmer Fort is a very huge with consisting 99 bastions and 2 cannon points. The walls of the fort are made in 3-layer structure show the tight security system of the fort. Amer Fort in Jaipur on a hillock of Aravalli ranges and facing Mauta Lake is a significant fort to visit. The fort was built by Raja Mansingh in the 16th century is an architectural splendor of Hindu and Mughal architectural styles. Now coming to mineral deposits of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is very rich in minerals. It has deposits of 79 types of major and minor minerals, which include zinc, feldspar, silver, gypsum, limestone, sandstone, marble, etc. Limestone. Rajasthan is leading producer of both cement grade and steel grade limestone production in India. Limestone occurs in almost all the districts of state, but important districts are given below. Sandstone. Geologically, Rajasthan is the largest sandstone producing state of India, where sedimentary formations are exposed in its 17 districts covering an area of about 34,000 square meter. Now, marble, which is known for its fine quality, marble from Makrana in Rajasthan has become Asia's first global heritage stone resource, as confirmed by IUGS. This marble of Rajasthan Makrana was being used in the formation of Taj Mahal, the crown of India. Rajasthan is rich in renewable energy resources. This energy is often referred to as clean energy, which comes from natural resources and processes. Wind energy. Rajasthan stands on 5th position in India in wind energy resource. The Jaisalmer city wind park is India's second largest operational onshore wind farm. Solar energy. Rajasthan is one of the most solar developed states with its total photovoltaic capacity reaching 3226 megawatt by the end of 2019. The Bhadla Solar Park is the biggest plant in the world. Now coming to study about premier higher education and research institutes of Rajasthan. We have IIT in Jodhpur, IIM Udaipur, National Law University Jodhpur. We have AIMS in Jodhpur, NIFT, Birla Institute of Technology and Science in Pilani, MNIT in Jaipur, AFRI in Jodhpur. We have Central University of Rajasthan here. We have Sardar Patel University of Police, Security and Criminal Justice in Jodhpur. We have Footwear Design and Development Institute in Jodhpur. Many such premier institutes of research level are in Rajasthan. Now, the technical education department, that is our department, the vision of our department is to enhance the competitiveness of state's technical manpower to global standards by imparting high quality and state of art technical education and training to all sections of the society. We have 45 government polytechnic colleges and many private polytechnic colleges having combined admission capacity of approx 29,000 students. Under the COVID 19 pandemic situation, the lecturers of our department created more than 16,000 e lectures from their homes. E lectures and online classes are running continuously. Online staff trainings and webinars are also being organized on regular basis. The department offers different courses in different branches as civil, mechanical, automobile, electrical, fiber, etc. That was a small journey. Now, that was just a small glimpse of Rajasthan. I again invite you all from behalf of our technical education department Rajasthan to come and visit Rajasthan and experience its glory. Thanks a lot. Khamma Ghanisa. Thank you.